In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the equivalent of a view ID in Google Analytics 4, or GA4 for short. You might be familiar with the view ID if you've used previous versions of Google Analytics, but in GA4, things have evolved. And while there isn't a direct equivalent to a view ID, there are new identifiers you'll need to become familiar with. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of navigating these changes to track and manage your data effectively. First, let's explore the two main components that GA4 uses instead of the traditional view ID. These are the measurement ID and the property ID. Let's start with the measurement ID. This is crucial for tracking your websites or apps and is used via gtags.js or Google Tag Manager. Each data stream, be it your website or app, will have a unique measurement ID. This ID is a combination of letters and numbers starting with a G, followed by a dash, and 5 or more digits or characters. It's essential for your tracking setup, as it precisely identifies the stream where your data is coming from. Now, let's talk about the property ID. This is a unique numeric identifier for your entire GA4 property, which could encompass multiple data streams. It's vital for using APIs and managing your Google Analytics setup from an organizational standpoint. While the measurement ID targets individual streams, the property ID is more about the overall property setup in GA4. So, how do you find these identifiers in GA4? It's relatively straightforward. To locate the measurement ID, begin by heading to the GA4 admin section. You'll find the admin panel by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the Google Analytics interface. Once you're there, you'll see 3 columns. Focus on the middle column labeled Property. In this column, choose Data Streams. Select the specific web data stream you're interested in. At this point, you should see the measurement ID displayed prominently at the top. Remember, it's the one that starts with a G, so copy that ID down, and you're all set for tracking. Now let's shift to finding the property ID. You're still in the GA4 admin area under the same property column. This time, look for the option that says Property Settings or Property Details. Click on it, and you should see your property ID appear near the top as a number. It's generally straightforward to spot, but jot it down for easy reference. This number uniquely identifies your property, grouping all your data streams together. And there you have it. Simple, step-by-step instructions for locating the key identifiers you'll need to navigate and manage data within Google Analytics 4. These IDs will be important for setting up tracking and organizing properties, ensuring you're capturing all necessary insights effectively. Thanks for watching.